Okay, let's work on solving quadratics. Here's some practice problems. With solving quadratics, remember we're going to do it through factoring, whether it's AC factoring, GCF, or dots, or some of you might call it dops, difference of two perfect squares. First thing you want to do is get this thing set equal to 0. Here, it's not equal to 0. I want the 8 to be over on this side. Remember, once you change sides, you got to change the sign. So 3x squared plus 10x, now a positive 8, and it equals 0. All right, here I'm going to be AC factoring. Got those three terms, right? A, B, and C. All right, so A times C, that's 3 times 8, that's 24. I need factors of 24 that are going to add up to the B value of 10. All right, well, that's going to be 6 and 4. 4 times 6, that makes 24, while 4 plus 6 makes 10. So we figured out our factors, 4 and 6. Always divide by A. In this case, it's 3. Okay, so this does not simplify, so I can give that an X. This one does. 6 over 3 is 2 over 1. Don't need that anymore. Give this an X. Now, if I were just factoring, I would just write these two expressions, but I'm not. I'm solving, so set each one of them equal to 0. The 3x plus 4 equals 0, and then also the 1x plus 2 equals 0. Solve the two equations. Minus 4 minus 4. 3x equals negative 4. Divide the 3, and x equals, this fraction does not simplify. Just leave it the way it is. Negative 4 over 3. There's your first answer. While the other one, minus 2, and x equals negative 2. Problem 2. GCF. I can pull out a 5 and an x, leaving in an x minus 4. Set each one equal to 0. 5x equals 0. X minus 4 equals 0. You can divide by 5 right here. You're going to get 0. You can add 4 right here. You're going to get 4. And the last one. Set it equal to 0. Minus 22 minus 22. If I moved it over there, I could put minus 22 next to that, but the catch right here is that those are actually like terms. We're not used to getting like terms when we move stuff over, but these are like terms. Negative 3 minus 22 is negative 25. That's a dots problem, perfect squares. So square root each one. Square root of this, x. Square root of 25, 5. Slap a plus or minus in the middle, and you've got yourself x plus 5 equals 0, x minus 5 equals 0. And if you work that out, you're going to end up getting negative 5 here and a positive 5 there. So you can simply say x equals the plus or minus of 5.